from the PNP here in Iligan City. Nag-ingon siya, ang katapusan, dili na lang nako basahon kay taas manikayo, pursuant to the foregoing disquisitions, we opine by operation of law, you to assume as acting mayor of Iligan City until such time that the temporary incapacity of Mayor Censorencia due to physical or legal reasons has ceased or stopped. That means today, no, starting last Monday, I am the acting mayor of the city. Casual employees, department heads, ayaw kabog kabalaka. We have already an order from the DILG. We must go back to work, and I have directed our PNP to maintain peace and order in this administrative building. So I'm ordering the army, the PNP to have all offices vacated by persons who are not legitimate government employees in our city government. We have to go back to our different offices. We will work per mandate of the DILG. May hapon kanilang tanan.